Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a business account private on Instagram. First of all, Instagram doesn't allow business accounts to be private. However, I'll show you a workaround by switching back to a personal account. The first step is to open settings. And to do that, first you have to access your Instagram account by going to your application and then clicking on it. And if you're not logged in, just enter your account credentials and log in. Now once logged in, click on your profile picture. As you can see, it's in the middle left. Because I'm using a tablet, it's another layout, but you'll find it here in the bottom right corner if you're using a regular phone or an Android or an iPhone. Now let's click on it. After that, click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner right here to access the settings, like you see here, and then go to business tools and controls and click on it. It's right here under the section for professionals. If you have a professional account, click on it and then scroll all the way down to switch account type here. Just click on switch account type and then switch to a personal account. Confirm your decision and that's it. It's switched to a personal account. As you can see, the settings have changed to some settings suitable for a personal account. Now you're gonna go to privacy, or you can go to accounts and just click search in the search bar for account. Let's see account privacy right here. After that, toggle private account. Let's see, let's plug in account privacy. Now it doesn't show because I'm using a mirror. And then click on switch. After you toggle on the privacy options right here, confirm it by clicking on the switch to private, and that's it. Your account is now private. Remember, switching to a professional account will disable business features like insights and ads. If you still want a private account but need business tools, consider using a separate personal account. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you make a business account private on Instagram. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.